Even in Texas, the winter storm's so near. I mean, it's not really snowing, but there's sleet. That's basically snow. My brother just went on the trampoline, made a snow angel thing. I don't even know if I'd call this a snow angel. Not the prettiest, but it is something. It's pretty fun to jump on. It's also really slippery. It's a very, very, very late Christmas miracle. Look, the snow like jumps when I jump. Oh, whoa. Bruh. It's fun. This is something. It's maybe it'll snow, maybe not. Can't really complain. There's a nice break. I didn't think I'd be seeing White Album in real life, but I suppose Geometry Dash, the White Album, not only is a digital reality to me, it's a real reality. I grinded for 2.5 hours today. Now I'm gonna be jumping in real White Album, just like my cube jumped in digital White Album. For 2.5 hours? Probably not, but it's snowing, I guess.